Hello, I'm creating this screencast to share indicator number 2. Indicator 2 relates to setting professional learning goals. The specific standard states that educators will set professional learning goals to explore and apply pedagogical approaches made possible by technology and reflect on their effectiveness. Digging a bit deeper, this goal means that educators will explore, apply, and learn about a variety of proven, promising, and emerging learning strategies with technology. For this standard, I have chosen to share a few of my own professional learning goals and how I'm accomplishing them. I felt that a screencast was the easiest way to do this. First, the obvious choice is my own ISTE certification journey. I've set goals of completing projects by a deadline, set goals of understanding new terms and concepts, and set goals of creating the final portfolio. During the in-person and online training, I also have been working on completing a Penn State certification and post-baccalaureate certificate in educational technology integration. I have 2 of those 5 classes completed to obtain this certificate, another one of my professional goals. Another goal that I made for myself in 2019 was to become a Microsoft trainer, and actually, I earned the title of a Master Microsoft Trainer, having trained over 400 people on Microsoft tools. So here's all my badges, and this one in particular indicates that I had trained 400 people. And finally, another learning goal that I have set and will achieve within the upcoming month is called the Coaching Collab. This is the Coaching Collab here. And the Coaching Collab is offered through Kennesaw State University and powered by iTeach. There are 4 modules, each contain a Nearpod interactive lesson and a completion of mastery certification with an artifact for Coaching 101, Flipped Coaching, Building Relationships, and Purposeful PD. Part of the Coaching 101 module was to interview a coach. Here's my template that I used for a recent interview that I had with Kevin Bauer, another coach. Later this week, I'll be creating a top 10 tip sheet to share with the team from Coaching Collab. All 4 of these professional learning goals require me to use technology and reflect either on an artifact or by creating a video or even a blog post. For example, this is a blog, which was a reflection about the change within my own learning philosophy from the beginning to the ending of a technology integration graduate course for my certification. As I have shared, 2019 has brought many professional learning goals. It's been a busy year, but I have learned a lot and met some amazing new people who collaborate with me, lead me, and enrich my professional life.